Hello virtuous people, welcome to Virtual Gist and Skills. My name is Nancy. In today's Skill Matters, what we have for you is mini sausage buns yummy recipe. This is the result of my countertop and we enjoyed it with our fresh pineapple juice. As you can see, these buns, as little as it looks, it is very yummy and easy to make. In fact, you can get this snack ready in less than 30 minutes. If you want to know how I came up with this result and with this yummy buns recipes, please sit back. Let's get right into the video. The recipes we have on our list for the mini sausage buns yummy recipes are: 1. Our all-purpose flour. Please, you can use any flour of your choice. And if you want to know the measurement of all my recipes, please hit the description box. The next on our list are some sausages. I have about 5 sausages here. You can feel free to use as many sausages as you want, depending on how many people you are making the mini sausage buns for. Okay, in here is my cane sugar. You can use any sugar of your choice, and my salt to taste. This is my baking powder. This is my paprika, and this is totally optional. Okay, this is my milk. You can use water if you so wish. This is my toothpick and my exotic flavoring. You can use any flavor of your choice. Okay, this is my egg. I have only one egg here. And lastly, this is my vegetable oil. I'm using sunflower. As you can see, you can use any vegetable oil of your choice. Okay, now I want to cut my sausages in 4 places. Please, if your sausages are longer than mine, you can cut them in more than 4 places. Okay, so after cutting my sausages, I will now insert the toothpick in the middle of the sausage. This is how I will keep doing it, one after the other, until I finish each and every one of them. When I finish it, I will get back to you guys. Remember, I told you that this recipe is as easy as anything. So one of the easiest pastries I've ever seen. So I will get back to you as usual when I'm done. Okay, now we are done inserting the toothpick. Let's go over to the next one. Right now I want to add my dry recipes to my flour. This is my baking powder, this is my cane sugar and salt, and this is my paprika. After adding them, I will now mix the dry recipes and the flour very well to make sure they are well mixed and blended. After mixing them, I will now make a little way for my wet recipes. So after adding the dry recipe, I will add a cup of my exotic flavoring. I will add my egg, and I will also add milk. I will be adding the milk little by little. Don't add all at the same time, okay, so that you will not over add milk. This is how I will keep adding it bit by bit, little by little, until I get the right consistency I want. Please, we don't want a runny batter, we want a medium consistency batter. Okay, so as you can see, now I've gotten the consistency I am looking for. That consistency you are seeing is not runny, it is just medium. Okay, so let's go. Now this is my sausage. I will put it inside a dry flour, and I will dip it inside my butter, and I will throw it inside my preheated oil. And this is how I will be doing it, one after the other, small, until I am done with each and every one of them. And you will fry until it is golden brown on a medium heat. Okay, now this is good to go. I will remove it and put it right inside my sieve for it to drip more oil. Guys, this is another batch and I have to repeat the same process. Just watch my hand and get what I'm doing. After I'm done with the numbers of buns I want in my preheated oil, then I will stir until they are golden brown, and when they are golden brown, they are good to go. So guys, on this junction, our mini sausage buns yummy recipe is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Guys, our mini sausage buns is ready. As you can see, we are going to enjoy it with our fresh pineapple juice made by me. Can you see how lovely the buns looks like? It is so yummy and inviting. This is number one key snacks. I told you earlier that this recipe is so easy and quick to make. Try it and you will be happy the result you will get. In fact, your kids will always be disturbing you every day to make it for them. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you see today. Subscribe to our channel with the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video. Share this video to family and friends and always drop your comment. Thanks for watching and we will see you in our next one. Bye bye.